Take a ride in the 2022 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard four-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, mirror memory, backup camera, security system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.